On October 15, 2003, the world held its breath. Atop a Long March 2F rocket, Chinese astronaut Yang Liwei prepared to make history. He was strapped into Shenzhou 5, a capsule destined for Earth orbit. With a roar that shook the Gobi Desert, Liwei was launched into the annals of human exploration. He became the first Chinese astronaut to journey into space. For 14 orbits, Liwei experienced the awe-inspiring beauty of Earth from a perspective few had ever witnessed. Yet amidst the triumph and wonder, something strange occurred. It was a simple sound, but in the vast emptiness of space, it carried an unsettling weight. Liwei would later describe it as a persistent knocking sound, like someone rapping on the hull of the Shenzhou capsule. Floating weightlessly in his capsule, surrounded by the void, Liwei strained to identify the source of the mysterious knocking. Imagine the silence of space, and there's no air to carry sound waves. No rustling leaves or honking cars. Now imagine hearing a distinct rhythmic knocking in that silence. That's exactly what Yang Liwei experienced during his historic mission aboard Shenzhou 5. The sound wasn't constant, it came in intervals. A series of knocks that Liwei later described as sounding like someone hammering on a metal bucket. He could feel the vibrations through the walls of the capsule. Naturally, curiosity got the better of him. Liwei peered out the small porthole of Shenzhou 5, searching the black abyss for any sign of something that could be causing the sound. He saw nothing. No debris, no other spacecraft. Just the endless expanse of space dotted with the cold fire of distant stars. The knocking remained a mystery, a chilling secret that whispered in the vacuum of space. To understand the strangeness of Liwei's experience, we need to understand sound itself. Here on Earth, sound is a constant companion. But space, as we've been told, is a vacuum. Without air, there's no medium for sound waves to travel through. So how could Liwei have heard anything knocking on his spacecraft? It's a good question, and it lies at the heart of this cosmic mystery. While it's true that space is essentially a vacuum, it's not entirely empty. There are trace amounts of gas and dust particles even in the vast distances between stars and planets. These particles, though incredibly sparse, can still transmit vibrations. The knocking sound, though fleeting, has become a symbol of the mysteries that still shroud our universe. When Yang Liwei returned to Earth, he was a national hero. His story captivated the world, but the mysterious knocking sounds he reported became a subject of intense scrutiny and speculation. The Chinese National Space Administration, eager to understand what had transpired, launched a thorough investigation. They pored over telemetry data, analyzed voice recordings, and subjected the Shenzhou 5 capsule to rigorous testing. Engineers and scientists meticulously examined every system, every material, searching for a logical explanation. The goal was clear: determine the source of the knocking and ensure the safety of future missions. The investigation, however, proved to be as perplexing as the event itself. While the CNSA confirmed that Liwei had indeed heard the strange sounds, they couldn't pinpoint a definitive cause. The lack of a concrete answer only served to fuel further wondering and intrigue. Speculation about the source of the knocking has run rampant. Some theories are grounded in known physics. Others venture into the realm of the unknown. One explanation involves temperature fluctuations experienced by spacecraft. As Shenzhou 5 passed from shadow to sunlight, materials expanded and contracted. This could have created sounds heard by Liwei as knocking. Another theory suggests interaction of electrical systems with the space environment. Then there are the more speculative theories. Could the knocking have been a form of extraterrestrial communication? As of now, there's no scientific basis to suggest the knocking was anything other than a natural phenomenon. Yang Liwei's experience, while unusual, is not unique. Astronauts from various countries have reported hearing unexplained sounds and witnessing strange phenomena. In 1969, the Apollo 10 crew reported eerie whistling sounds described as outer space-type music. Similarly, astronauts aboard the ISS have reported unexplained tapping or scratching noises. These sounds are often attributed to micrometeoroid impacts or structural changes. These accounts are intriguing but difficult to verify and explain. The extreme environment and psychological pressures of spaceflight can contribute to misinterpretations. The persistence of these reports suggests there may be more to these phenomena than meets the eye. The unforgiving nature of space travel pushes humans to their limits, both physically and mentally. Astronauts undergo rigorous training to prepare for the challenges they'll face. But even the most seasoned space traveler can be caught off guard by the unexpected. Yang Liwei's experience with the knocking sound highlights the psychological aspect of space exploration. Imagine the isolation of being millions of miles from Earth, encased in a metal capsule, and surrounded by the infinite darkness of space. Now imagine hearing unexplained noises in that isolation. The human mind, wired for pattern recognition and meaning-making, is prone to perceive patterns where none exist, especially in unfamiliar and potentially threatening environments. Understanding the psychological factors at play is crucial for ensuring the well-being of astronauts and the success of future missions. As we push the boundaries of space exploration, new technologies help us navigate the cosmos. Future spacecraft will have advanced sensors detecting and analyzing phenomena with precision. These sensors will link to AI systems, sifting through data to pinpoint anomalies. Imagine a global network of AI-powered listening stations monitoring the cosmos. Amazing, right? These advancements will make space travel safer and enhance our discoveries. The unexplained knocking heard by Yang Liwei aboard Shenzhou 5 stands as a powerful symbol of the enduring mystery of space. It's a reminder that for all our technological prowess, we are still explorers in an infinitely unknown cosmic ocean. The human spirit is driven by an insatiable curiosity, an innate desire to explore the unknown, to push the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. The mysteries we encounter in space fuel this drive, inspiring new technologies and questions. As we venture further, the universe will continue to surprise us and reveal wonders. The quest to understand space will captivate and inspire generations to come. Like me, if you want to know what else do our astronomers hear when they are up there in the abyss, give this video a big like and write in the comments below what's your own take on this. Is the knocking really just normal and explainable? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when other whispers from up there are heard. As always, keep looking up! And thank you for watching.